A trustworthy big rig accident lawyer won't ask for any payment up front. Most personal injury attorneys in California work on contingency, which means if you don't get paid, they don't get paid. So they won't take on you as a client if they don't believe in your case and believe they can win it. Usually, the attorney's fee comes to about 33% of the final settlement. Meanwhile, with no out-of-pocket cost to you, your lawyer will build your case and negotiate on your behalf with the at-fault parties. For big rig accidents, the company that the trucker drives for is often involved. They'll bring lawyers of their own to try and minimize your claim, and you shouldn't have to fight them all by yourself. If you or someone you loved has been injured in a big rig accident in California, Mason Law is here to help. The experienced personal injury attorneys at Mason Law know what it takes to make sure big rig accident victims receive proper compensation. Contact Mason Law today for a free consultation and case assessment.